Well, I'm in a 2014 Lincoln MKZ, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure your vehicle's on and that your system's booted up here. Then there's a few ways you can get to the phone connections. So it's right now it's trying to auto connect. If you've previously paired your phone, then hopefully it's trying to connect to your phone now. So you can click on those to get to those options. And then here you can do the add new device. There's a limited number of devices you can have, so you might need to delete one first. So I'll show you that delete option. We'll delete this first one, yes. So now I made space for another if it was needed, but we'll add new device.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
Make sure your pairing's on, so that's the Bluetooth symbol, and then this is the pairing menu for my phone. Sometimes this might take a few tries. So you might have to restart your phone, restart the car, but usually it pops up. So there's sync. So let's start in the pairing mode. Eventually we'll see something pop up here. Again, if you're having a lot of issues, just something you have to restart.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
So it does match these random numbers. So we'll hit pair, and then do you want to sync up your phone numbers? And does it match? It does match. So now we're in the start of the pairing. So we should be set. You should be able to save it as a favorite too.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Alright, so once it's synced up, then you should be able to take phone calls, listen to music, things like that through the vehicle. For newer models, you typically can sync up maps and things like that as well. And here's where I said you could set it as like the favorite and sync up your phone books and everything. And if you're having issues getting to where you can play music, sometimes this entertainment option, these buttons down here, can take you through. So this arrow here, this will take you to where your phone is. And then from here,
for your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
And you make sure your phone has volume, you're playing on your device whatever type of media you want to play, and then make sure the volume's on your vehicle. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.